Hey everyone, as you can tell by the title of the video, this is about how to update Microsoft Office. Now, as I have mentioned in a previous video, every decision that we make can make us even more secure or less secure. There is no system, device, computer, or network that is 100% secure. Just want to make that very clear. You can either make it more secure or less secure. And so what I'm going to show you will be how to make your system more secure. In this video, I'll be showing how to do that through Microsoft Word. And when you're updating it through there, it's updating it for the whole Microsoft Office. So it includes all of the other apps as well. So have your Microsoft Word open. On the left side, click Account. And then on the right side, you'll see where it says Update Options. Click that, and then at the top, you're going to click Update Now. When you click Update Now, it's either going to tell you that there is no updates for Microsoft Office, meaning that you're well up to date, or it will already start downloading updates for you. After it's done downloading the updates, it will tell you that you need to save your work before continuing. Just click Continue. After you click Continue, it will close the app that you are using and then proceed to apply the updates. After that is done, then it will prompt you letting you know that updates were installed and you can use your Office apps now. Just click Close and you are done. Hope that was beneficial to you. Stay safe.